Hey everyone, Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are
Folk Lab Collective.
Cheers to that. Guess what? We have not done this band before, and I don't know why, because they're literally like the biggest thing on the planet Earth. It's insane. It's insane how big they are, and we're sorry. We know you've been waiting for it, and here it is.
It's because 98% of y'all haven't subscribed, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Comment below what else you want to see, because a lot of y'all commented.
Yes.
And y'all want to see this band, so here we are.
This is it, BTS. Can we say any more?
Let's get to it. Let's get to it.
Butter.
Butter.
It's like butter. Butter.
Bright music.
We need like a little. Actually, I think we have that. I love the black and white.
Yeah, I love it.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Going pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Cool shade, soda, yeah. Oh, it all to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Break it down. Oh, when I look in the mirror, I'll let you hide it to do. I got the superstar glow, so.
Oh,
come on,
my
boys,
gosh!
Look at those moves.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
That.
Sexy for one thing. I will absolutely throw that out there.
Straight up. Oh, thank you. Straight up.
Well, you know what? This one time, I'm actually not referring to you. Leave that for later. No. No. Oh my gosh. So fun.
So fun.
Okay, great vocals. Obviously, y'all know. Like,
off the top, like the thing that hit me most was just their cadence and their like pulsating consonants.
I was about to say,
so dang good. The articulation is so good. You know, in English not being their first language, that the way they can make that just come out so clearly.
That's a gift. That's amazing.
It's amazing.
I love the visuals of this too.
Yeah, it's very cool.
I get very I really like to just be taken back in time when it comes to videos and visuals for songs.
Uh-huh.
And this does it. Like, it makes me want to be that teen, like, just dancing the night away. It's so good.
Katie likes to dance.
I really do like to dance.
She likes to dance.
Don't put a fan in front of me.
Woo! Look at them pancakes. Who doesn't love a pancake? The colors are insane.
Colors are amazing.
This is visually so pleasing.
You know what? I would be so curious to talk to some, like, back in the day band boys, like from the 80s, 90s, early 2000s, and see what they think about these boy bands, because there's such it's like super talent.
Super talent.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, the K-pop world alone is so crazy how intense they are. Actually, there's a lesson here. Here's a lesson. Coach 1, Coach 2. And the fact that these K-pop bands live together, eat together, dance together, sing together. They train like pro athletes. Yeah. They train like pro athletes, like they're going to the Olympics.
100%.
It is not a surprise that they're on top of the world. That's my point.
I love all of their hair.
I know. Oh, that little move. That's sweet. Little sweep out. God, I wish I could move like that.
You can learn.
Oh,
Look
those
at
moves.
That move.
Insane.
Oh, put in the cologne on. You know what? I love that they're singling out dance. I have a feeling this was just like, hey, just go freestyle in that. And so you're getting a taste of everyone's specific style for that moment, because
that's good.
You know, everyone always has a favorite in a group, whether you want to admit it or not.
That's why groups are successful.
Right. Everyone always has a favorite. So they're getting that little snippet of, hey, here's my style for all my favorite fans.
Guess who the favorite was in my group, Tenore?
Well, that was obviously my favorite. Back to this.
I'm the nice guy. Got the right body and the right mind. Rolling up the party, got the right vibes. We like,
He's a low voice.
He does. Cool. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that.
Visuals.
I mean, this production budget, insane. What is this floor they're on? I want it in my house. Can you imagine if we had that?
Oh.
All day long.
All day long. Wow. Y'all.
I want the butter.
Okay, so for one thing, all the visuals were incredible.
Incredible.
You do not leave this video like...
No. Disappointed
You
or
want more
wanting.
to watch, but you're
Yeah.
not like... There's not a dull moment in
No,
that.
it's so good. Whoever directed this and did the storyboard, props to
100%
them. It's
props.
so good. Clearly they have an amazing budget, but I think again it's another great point that the visual is so important to what you do.
Visual's so important.
So,
It is.
especially in today's culture.
And
so
to know,
important.
especially as a group, let alone a solo artist, but as a group, like you have to have it all be so cohesive.
Yes.
And true to kind of who they are too, because again, that's why we're drawn to singers and artists and groups, is because they're them. But wow, this is fun.
So
now
fun.
let's, you know what?
I think we need some like...
I think we need to go to the honky tonks, but we need to blast this song and dance like that.
Yes, and we should make some like butter popcorn.
Yeah, but let's do the dancing first.
Okay, first. Cool.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And I'm Jason Catron, and we are Vocal Lab Collective. See you next time.